Alright guys, let's take a quick look here at Pyth Network. I haven't done a video on this in a while. I did have to readjust the Fibonacci here because it did dip down all the way to just under maybe about 22 cents. So as you can see, I did draw a trend line here. This is the 4-hour time frame, by the way, and just made it a little bit easier to draw this trend line. But as you can see, basically it rode this trend line. And it looks like in the last 4-hour candle, which started or ended, I should say, a couple of hours ago, it did break through this resistance here on this trend line. So that is a good signal. I mean, Pyth Network, it did dip all the way down to about 24 cents on its lowest dip a while back. I think there was fear about dilution or something, and they were going to open or unlock some tokens. But guys, I really don't think there's still anything to be worried about with Pyth Network here. So if I had some free money, I might buy the dip, guys, but I'm totally out of money, unfortunately. But and I have enough invested in crypto. But if I get any free money, then yes, of course, I would consider Pyth as one of my picks. And yeah, guys, I mean, the next resistance here is a daily resistance up at about 30 cents. We've been here before, broke through it. As you can see, last time we did it, well, last month, basically. Yeah, so I don't think it's going to have much trouble. It might take, a couple of days, 3 days to break through that. And then you can see we do have the resistance here at 33.5, basically, or 3/4 of a cent. And I think it'll break through that fairly easy as well. As you can see, tried here, got rejected, tried here, basically took a couple of attempts to break through. So, and then we were able to break this weekly resistance as well, up at about almost 37 cents, guys. So we were on our way, up, and yeah, I mean, Bitcoin and everything else just had, different plans here. So speaking about Bitcoin here, Bitcoin right now is sitting at 56.8. Now this is the 4-hour chart, keep in mind, and it does appear that it has made its way back into that massive flag that I've shown on a few videos last night. It's kind of hard to see here. Let me see. Let me put this on the daily just to make it more visible. So you can see this. Basically, it's a flag, guys. I mean, this flag goes from all the way down here up to this point here. And if this flag breaks out, I think I showed you guys a target yesterday. It was about 105,000 if it breaks out to the upside. Now, that is basically if it breaks out from this point. And, if I zoom in or zoom out here, whatever. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I think I took the flag actually a little bit farther down. Now, I think I had it on the weekly when I did this or something. I think I took it from all the way down here, guys, actually. So basically, the start of the move was down here. And, it did have some consolidation here, but it wasn't really that long, I would say. I would say this is pretty much a continuous move up until you get to this point. So, yeah, guys, I did that last night. Now, some people might do what I just did and take it from here because you had this consolidation. But, for me, like I almost did that, I'm still going to take it from here. So basically, this target should go up to about $105,000 if it breaks out from this point. Now, like I said, if you want to take it from this point, the target, which was, how much was it? It was 90-something thousand. So, it really doesn't matter. Still prices that we've never seen before. If it breaks out, just say there could be a range from 90 to 105,000 probably on the breakout, because nobody really knows. I mean, I don't know. You know, nobody can tell you that there's going to be an exact $105,000 Bitcoin. You know, when all of this goes down in the end, and you know, the end isn't here. I think we're still at least 6 months away, at least. And, you know, we may have another year basically because of all of this consolidation and, you know, these massive dips. Now, you know, at this point when we were up here, I said end of year. So, you know, but we've consolidated so much and we've moved kind of slow since February. I mean, we're what? That's like 6 months. We've been just basically consolidating. So I think we did buy some time here. We just got to wait for these interest rate cuts, guys. And that's it. Now, yeah, I mean, that's all I got for you on Pyth Network and Bitcoin. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.